What if I told you that AI, yes, the same tool that people are using to write essays and build apps, could actually help you dress better than you do right now? I know that sounds wild, but stay with me because AI isn't just for tech guys anymore. It's becoming every man's secret weapon to looking sharp. And today I'm going to show you how you can use it as your very own personal stylist without breaking the bank. This is the part, the channel that makes men's style simple, practical, and relatable, especially for the African man. Most guys waste money on clothes that don't fit, don't match, or don't suit their body type. But with AI, you can change all that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to build confidence in your appearance, shop smarter, and dress like you actually know what you're doing. And trust me, the last tip might literally save you from wasting money ever again. Point number one, AI can help you know your body type. Let's start with the basics. Most men don't really know their body type. Are you slim? Are you athletic? Are you broad? Are you triangular shaped? Are you an inverted triangle? Are you oval? All these and more are body types men have. And you might think, why does this matter? Because fit is everything. The wrong fit ruins even the most expensive outfit. And here is how AI can help. Apps like a body.ai and Body Muse let you upload two full body photos or enter simple details like height, weight, and shoulder width. And in seconds, it gives you your exact body measurement and shape category. That means the app literally tells you what cuts flatter your frame. For example, skip skinny jeans, go for slim straight. Try structured shoulders if you have a narrow frame. So instead of guessing your size each time you shop, you can now start shopping smart, knowing exactly what works for your build. Knowing your body type is the foundation of great style. Once you've got that, everything else falls in place. The second way you can use AI to improve your style is that AI suggests outfit combinations from what you already own. Here's one we can all relate to. Standing in front of your wardrobe full of clothes, yet thinking, I have nothing to wear. You're not alone, bro. You just don't know how to combine what you already have. And apps like Wearing and Smart Closet fix this problem beautifully. All you do is upload photos of your clothes, shoes, trousers, shirts, everything. Then AI starts creating outfit combinations for different occasions, from casual Fridays to date nights. For example, it might pair your simple white tee with your brown chinos and sneakers for a clean weekend look, or match your navy blazer with your gray trousers for a sharp office vibe. At the end of the day, you don't need to buy new stuff. AI helps you reimagine what's already in your closet. That's money saved and frustration gone. Next, AI helps you test colors and patterns before you buy. We've all been there. You see a bold pattern shirt on Instagram, buy it, then realize it doesn't suit your skin tone or personality. Here's where AI saves you. Apps like Style DNA and Visualist allow you to upload your photo and virtually try on different fabrics, colors, and patterns before buying. So if you're wondering whether that mustard yellow shirt works on your skin tone, the app shows you instantly. Or if you're unsure about floral prints, AI lets you preview it on you before spending a dime. Why does this matter? Because men in our climate don't have the luxury of wasting money on clothes that they will never wear. And with AI, you remove the guesswork and buy what actually works for you. This next one is a good one. AI finds affordable alternatives to luxury looks. This one is a game changer. Ever see a celebrity in a $2,000 outfit and said to yourself, I'll never afford that? Well, now you can get that same look. Wait for it, for a fraction of the price. How? Tools like fashion.ai, like that Google Lens, let you upload screenshots or images of any outfit. AI then scans the web to find similar pieces from affordable stores, sometimes even thrift listings. So, if you like Wizkid's Dior jacket, like that might show you a similar design from Zara or a local brand. You get the look and not the luxury price tag. And for us here in Africa, where designer stores are limited, this is gold. You don't need Gucci to look classy. You just need good taste and smart tech. How AI can help you become stylish. Number 5, AI can plan your wardrobe like a stylist. Here's the truth. Most men shop randomly. One shirt here, one shoe there. That's why nothing matches. And you're always stuck thinking, what should I wear? Apps like Fitted and Style DNA let you create digital wardrobes and even plan capsule wardrobes. That is a small collection of versatile pieces that mix and match perfectly. You can tell your app your color preferences, budget, and lifestyle. It will then suggest pieces to complete your wardrobe instead of adding clutter. So, instead of 50 items that give you only 5 outfit options, you end up with 15 items that gives you 50 combinations. And that is how you build a timeless wardrobe without wasting a CD. So here's the key takeaway. AI won't replace your personal style. It will only sharpen it. Think of it as your digital stylist who never sleeps. It saves you from bad fits, poor color choices, and unnecessary spending. But at the end of the day, you still have the power to make the call. When you use AI wisely, you don't just dress better, you look like the best version of yourself. So, gentlemen, the future of style isn't about spending more. It's about using smarter tools. AI is one of those tools. Start using it today and you'll always stay one step ahead of the game. Now, my question to you is, would you actually trust AI to help you dress better? Drop your answer in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if this video gave you value, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with a brother who wants to improve his style also. It's been Dapper Up. Thanks for watching. And if this video was useful to you, then I'm sure you'll find this other video useful as well. See you there.